Alright then, you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel once more. I go by the name Mindzone, and in today's video I'll be taking you a full tour on freelancer job online that you can apply for in 2025. There is, as you can see, if you scroll down, you see some platforms. All these platforms, they do pay, like as you can see here, Upwork and Fiverr, and also people platform here, this other, the third one, Fiverr, and we'll be walking you through these platforms. It's a quick tour, so I'll also leave the link down below so you can sign up on these platforms and get your account set up. If you need a revamp on your account, we can help you. Mindzone community can help you to get your profile revamped. As you can see, a lot of platform Indeed is also part of them. So these Upwork. So now once you come in here, you can go through the profile. You can see different kind of jobs that have been listed here on this platform. Yeah, but still scrolling down, you see them, a lot of platform. Mind you, when signing up on Upwork, I would advise you to use your Gmail account to sign up so you can get onboarded easily, because right now in Upwork, some people are having challenges on signing up, their account being restricted for verifying their account. So if you don't want to get unverified, just follow these steps and use your Google account to sign up on this account. Platform that we'll be talking on is Fiverr. Fiverr is a digital marketplace, and it's where you post your gigs online, and then you get customers, people who are into businesses, entrepreneur, make research for your product, and maybe they will need you to do a lead generation tools. As you can see here, we have different to social media. You can see different kind of gigs now. You can watch through this video to also get some tips here for an overview of how Fiverr works. Just stay tuned while I play the video for you to get, so you hear what Fiverr has to say.
Who knew Fiverr was going to be another division of our company? Fiverr helped us to access the freelance talent we need to scale our business. We started using Fiverr just for logos, but we've since outsourced tasks for so many other services. As a result, we successfully attracted new independent eye care retail stores who are eager to stock our products.
I know we would not be sitting here if it wasn't for the freelancers that we worked with.
Yeah, so freelancers are really help entrepreneurs. So this other platform is PeoplePerHour, where you work also as a freelancer, and you get paid also. All the links, I will drop them below this video. Go forward, sign up, create your account. If you need assistance, I will also leave a WhatsApp number there for you to call or reach out to me on WhatsApp, and I will guide you. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I remain Mindzone. Peace out.